Have you ever wanted to create an entire animated story with AI without editing, without complex software, and without spending hours doing it manually? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically generate a full AI video story in minutes using a powerful Chrome extension called Grok Automation, combined with the help of ChatGPT. We're talking about generating multiple video scenes automatically, turning simple prompts into a complete story, and letting the tool create and download every clip for you. I'll walk you step by step through installing the extension, generating a 20-scene AI story, automatically turning each scene into video, and downloading all the clips ready for your YouTube content. By the end of this video, you'll see how easy it is to create AI-generated story videos for YouTube, Shorts, or Reels with almost no effort. So if you're ready to automate your video creation with AI, let's get started. Now, visit the Chrome Web Store. Here, you will find various extensions and themes. Search for Grok Automation. Here it is. Click on it and make sure to add the Grok Automation extension to your Chrome browser. I will go ahead and add it to Chrome. Once installed, you will see it appear in your extensions list. I'll pin it to the toolbar and click on it. Upon clicking, a message will indicate that you are not on a Grok page, and it will prompt you to navigate to Grok. Click on Navigate to Grok. This will automatically open Grok in a new tab. Here, you will find a dedicated prompt section that we will use to generate our videos. First, I will leave the concurrent prompt setting at 1. Next, I will set the prompt delay to 20 seconds. This is because I'm going to create a 2-minute story. Now, navigate to the Settings tab and make sure you select Text to Video. The available options include Text to Video, Frame to Video, and Image to Video. I already have a separate tutorial on Frame to Video, which you can check out later. For now, we will stick with Text to Video. I will leave the model on its default setting. For the aspect ratio, you can choose whichever format suits your needs. For this demonstration, I will use the YouTube format. If you're creating YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, you should select the 9:16 aspect ratio, but I will stick to 16:9. Next, ensure that Outputs Video per prompt is set to 1. We don't need to change the image settings. For the default video frame length, I highly recommend sticking to 6 seconds. This duration is ideal for these types of videos. If you have a Super Grok subscription, you can opt for longer generations, but I will keep it at 6 seconds. One crucial step is to select the highest available quality for auto downloads. Currently, the highest quality option is 720p. I'll select that and then make sure to save these settings. Great. Now, you don't actually have to manually type out 20 different prompts. We are going to do this the easiest and most efficient way, since our goal is full automation. I have a master prompt prepared that I will feed into ChatGPT to generate a story for me. The initial prompt reads, "Write 20 prompts for a purple cat and a pink mouse story." ChatGPT provided the story, as you can see right here. It generated 20 prompts, but this basic format might cause character inconsistencies across the scenes. To fix this, I provided a more detailed prompt. You are required to tell this story using 20 short-form videos, with each video lasting exactly 6 seconds. The entire narrative must be fully completed within these 20 clips. Throughout the story, the cat must be purple and the mouse must be pink, and these colors must remain consistent in every scene. Your task is to generate 20 individual prompts, one for each 6-second video. All 20 prompts must be combined into a single copy and paste ready text box, with each prompt clearly corresponding to its specific 6-second clip. ChatGPT processed this and provided the exact output we need, perfectly structured into 20 prompts. Now I will go ahead and copy all 20 prompts. Next, returning to the extension, because I left the Grok tab, it prompts me to navigate back. I'll click on Navigate to Grok. Back in the Grok automation interface, I will paste the prompts I just copied from ChatGPT into the text box. If you look down here in the prompt queue, you will see that the tool has automatically assigned each prompt to a separate task. It has successfully queued all 20 prompts. Since our settings are already configured, all we have to do now is click Run. The extension will sequentially generate videos, starting from prompt 1 all the way to prompt 20. Now we just sit back, relax, and let the automation do its work. Let's give it a moment to process. Once a scene finishes generating, Grok Automation will automatically download the video directly to your device. This feature is incredibly useful. As you can see, the second scene has also completed generation. We will wait a bit, and now all the videos have finished generating. And that is how you use Grok Automation. It is an incredibly powerful tool for streamlining your workflow. If you would like a full in-depth tutorial exploring every feature this extension has to offer, please let me know by typing Grok Automation in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it to help support the channel. Additionally, I already have a tutorial on the frame-to-video feature on my channel. You can see it right here on the screen, so be sure to check that out as well. That video will show you how to create full AI movies using Grok Automation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
A peace offering for you.
Cheese? For me? Well, this is interesting. Let's explore the kitchen.
Yeah, the table. We made it.
Wow.